finance, whether you talk about auto, whether you talk about home loan, whether you talk about trading, any kind of leverage will work in India because we are in that phase of the life, right? Again, if I look at the trading setup now, as of now we just talk about the Indian market, the growth which we can see. I believe, right, I'm just talking in my personal understanding that if you invest in index, 12 to 15% CAGR returns should be there as per the previous assumption. Recently we wrote an article that Sensex can go to 1,60,000. How much? In next 5 years. What is right now? 80,000. 1,60,000. Do you believe it can? Only 15% CAGR. Only 15%. Don't you believe that India can grow by 15%? Even if index moves by 15% CAGR, it can go to 1,60,000. Right? But we are talking about options. Option is different rule. As of now, we talked about the test matches. Now we need to talk about the T20. So when you talk about the option trading, we always say there are the two types of trader. One is option buyer. Second is option seller. And we can do the debate for entire day or entire week or entire year. Who is the best? Who is the best, option buyer or seller? Then why you are buying option? If you say that option, does it mean that option seller are the only who are making money? Okay, I'll help you to give some strategy to buy the options. I know everyone knows option seller makes money. So let me be in the opposite party. That option buyer also can make money. But trust me, you cannot put so much money in option buying. Again, disclaimer and disclosure. If you are buying options, your risk is limited, but entire capital is your risk. When you are selling options, your risk is unlimited. So before you talk about options, you should repeat word risk, risk, risk 3 times your mind. Okay, now let's talk about the option buying. How to do buying? I'll give some strategy, right? Strategy means my way of working, right? Strategy doesn't mean that I'll buy one call, sell call. Strategy means my way of working, my thought process, right? I might be using some technical words because of some reasons, right? But try to understand what I want to say here. So option buy, when you want to buy options, first you need to know the view. Second, call or put. At the beginning of the day, what do you need? Market view. Positive or negative. Then second, call or put. Then third, which is strike. Fourth, entry. Fifth, stop. Sixth, exit. If I can help you with all these 5, 6 things, do you think that will solve your purpose? I'll give you. Okay. So whenever you are buying options, you need to keep in mind all these 4, 5 parameters. You need to find out the process. In fundamental, we do the process, right? QGLP, quality, longevity, price, right? Okay. Now if you look at here, view, call or put, strike, entry, stop and exit. And I can give you the latest example so that you can trade on Monday. Okay. Now look at when you talk about option buying, you need to keep in mind probability. Probability is very less for option buying. I can say 33% or 18%. 33% that option buyer makes money, but which buyer, call or put? Again, I have to divide 2. 18% probability or 16% probability that option buyer makes money. Again, you need to look at the momentum. If momentum is there, then only option buy has to be there. Otherwise, you cannot make money. Then win to loss ratio, profit factor, churning. When you talk about option selling, again, market view. Call and put, strike, entry, stop and exit, and only God is theta decay. Okay, when you look at the option strategy, so as of now we talked about option buying, option selling. Third part, the option strategy. We have 4 types of market scenario: bullish, bearish, range bound, and volatile. And as per the market scenario, you can build the strategy. But first and important part is market view. And then you can go with the option automations, right? Automation means machine learning. Right? Automations means I have some rule, I'll build the rule, and those rules will help you. Okay, in option automations, you need to understand what is the strategy, whether theta decay or delta drifting, delta hedging, IV spread, time based, price based, what is the logic behind the option automation, and then you need to keep in mind what is the ticket size, what is the drawdown, max risk, sharp ratio, everything you need to keep in mind. So ultimately, I believe when you talk about options, there are 4 things you need to keep in mind. And first you decide what you are all about: buyer, seller, strategist, or you want to be in the option automations. And all these 3, 4, 5, 6 things you need to keep in mind. Risk management, position sizing, view, rule and discipline. And discipline is very important. And you cannot ignore the risk. Risk is the part of life. Risk is the part of trading. Without risk, there is no reward in the life and market. Okay, now just give me some thumb rule of option trading setup which I follow. So market outlook, time bound market outlook. Position sizing, entry and exit. Exit is very important. Have you heard the Mahabharata? Abhimanyu entered the Chakravyuh but he couldn't exit. People say घुसना नहीं आया, निकलना नहीं आया था. But do you know कि घुसना से आया था? No. I believe entry is more important than exit. यदि entry सही है ना तो exit अपने आप सही हो सकता है. But we realize that exit is not right. काफी लोग बोलते हैं हम enter तो कर जाते हैं but निकल नहीं पाते. But your entry is not right. That is the reason that you are finding that exit is wrong. Okay. Then we look at the technical part. Derivatives, reward and risk. I am giving 1/4 weightage to all. In technical, look at the support, resistance, pattern and all. I'll move ahead. Okay. I have some trick. I have some strategy. I have some strategy to follow. We have this app Research 360. You can download or you can go to the Research 360 site.